Hi guys, this is Priya and today I am going to be showing you my entire logo design process from start to finish, from breaking down a brief to sketching and the finished product. So stay tuned till the end to see my entire design process. So let's get started. Every logo designer has a different approach, but most of them would agree that there are certain steps in the logo design process that all professionals share. In this article, I will show you my step-by-step logo design process. I am sharing with you 7 steps process that I go through when designing a new logo. So first step is discovery. It is all about getting to know the client's business, history, industry, competitors and audience. This is because logo design is not art, so we should not just start coming up with logo ideas out of thin air relying purely on our sense of aesthetics. If you see a logo should serve a specific business objectives, so therefore you need to stay objective in process in order to design something that is appropriate. Then conducting research. Research is all about analyzing the industry in more details, conducting visual research and drawing conclusion. The goal of this phase is to better understand the client's field in order to ensure that the solution that you will later come up with can work for them effectively. Running a brainstorm. Brainstorming is about thinking through all possible design directions that would steer creativity in the right direction. So here I use the brand personality and tone of voice exercise to help me brainstorm ideas and mood boards. And here I also use the mind map to start searching for a visual representation of the most important keywords distilled from previous steps. Then sketching logos. The goal of sketching is to find a connection between an idea and the creation of a form. The professional logo designers sketch logos by hand using pencil on paper. This is because sketching by hand gives you an immediacy of artistic expression, and I believe that every logo designer should absolutely start this way. Designing those logo concepts. Now the design part is all about translating your sketches into digital form and then further testing the viability of each concept. Here, I simply recreate those sketches on the computer and then design multiple variations of each idea in order to arrive at the best option. So here is the final outcome of the logo. And the last step is presenting them to the client. So we have to show the logo concept behind the logo and get the client's approval. So I am done with designing my logo concept and then I just need to show them to my client in the form of a presentation. So guys, that was my entire logo design process from start to finish. Hope you had enjoyed and learned something new. Always thank you for watching and do subscribe.